Struggling to write your very first email newsletter? You are not alone. Many creators, freelancers, and business owners freeze at the blank page and wonder what to say. Here is the shocking truth. Statista reports that over 4.3 billion people use email worldwide, but more than 60% of newsletters get ignored because they fail to grab attention. That means if you get this wrong, your message disappears into the inbox with zero impact. Here is the exciting twist. AI can now help you create your very first email newsletter in minutes, even if you have no writing experience. So how do you actually write your first email newsletter using AI? First, let's define what a newsletter really is. A newsletter is a regular email you send to your audience to educate, update, or inspire them, while keeping your brand top of mind. It matters because a good newsletter builds trust, creates connection, and keeps people coming back for more. Now here are 4 proven tips for writing your first newsletter. Tip 1. Start with a catchy subject line. Your subject line decides whether people open your email or ignore it. Example: instead of writing monthly update, you could say 3 simple shortcuts to save hours this week. This works because it sparks curiosity and promises value. Tip 2. Keep your content short and focused. People scan emails quickly, especially on their phone. Write in short sentences, use simple words, and focus on just one main idea. For example, if your newsletter is about productivity, share one tip that saves time instead of listing 10 random thoughts. Tip 3. Add a personal touch. Newsletters work best when they feel like a conversation, not a corporate ad. You can add a light story, an example, or even a touch of humor. Imagine sending a newsletter that says, "Yes, I also spilled coffee on my laptop this morning, but here's what I learned about focus." That makes your audience smile and connect with you. Tip 4. End with a clear next step. Every newsletter should guide readers to one action, like reading your blog, watching your video, or checking out your offer. Clarity makes people more likely to follow through. Now here is where AI makes this process 10x easier. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can use AI Creator Max to generate a full newsletter draft in seconds. AI Creator Max has 100+ premium templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all built on proven marketing psychology like AIDA, PASS, and more. Just answer a few simple questions, hit generate, and you're done. It helps you write content 10x faster. Try it free. Link below. You pick the email newsletter template, describe your topic, and choose the tone. In seconds, AI Creator Max gives you a polished draft you can edit and send right away. Bonus pro tip: always test your subject lines. According to Campaign Monitor, emails with personalized subject lines are 26% more likely to be opened. So write at least 2 subject line options and see which one performs better. Here's the big takeaway. You do not need to be a professional writer to launch your first newsletter. You just need a clear structure, a simple message, and AI to give you the shortcut. This video is part of a full playlist that shows you how to use AI for smarter marketing, step by step. Keep watching to learn even more ways to save time and grow faster. If this video helped, hit like so more people discover it, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson, and comment with the hardest part of starting your first newsletter. And when you are ready to put this into action, go to AICreatorMax.com and start writing your first newsletter in minutes.